have to choose the right platform for you. You don't need to be on any platform available on internet. Day by day there will always be something different, something new which new generation will adopt, but you don't need to be on any platform because if you see nowadays I'm seeing lots of people migrating to TikTok. It's good, but you don't think, oh, if I'm not on TikTok so I'm missing out something. No, it doesn't matter if you're not there. If you are leveraging, if you have chosen LinkedIn, if you have chosen your Facebook for yourself, if you have chosen Instagram for yourself, it's fine. Do not panic that I need to be on TikTok. There everyone is there, so why I'm not leveraging it, why I'm missing it. So you have to be very conscious while choosing your right platform. So how to choose it? What I suggest, you can create your profile on different platform like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, but choose maximum of 2 platforms where you will be mostly active. Only 2. Now how will you choose that? I would suggest LinkedIn for all the professionals, all the career professionals, people who are working on job and businessmen, right? All the people who are doing business, career counselors, coaches, trainers. For everyone, LinkedIn is good. And Facebook is generic platform. Anyone can use it, be it any profession. Anyone can use it, right? And for Instagram, however, you can use it for any profession, but if you are into such professions like interior designing, you are an actor, you are into entertainment industry, you are a photographer, you are a creative designer into digital marketing, creative designing, and if you are like makeup artist in such profession, then I suggest you to be on Instagram, right? Because LinkedIn will not work for you in that case. It may work, but there's a different strategy for that, right? So you can choose Instagram in that case if you are into these professions. Also for chefs, I will suggest if you are a chef, so Instagram is good for you. But if you are on LinkedIn and on these professions, suppose you are makeup artist, you are into fashion industry and you post some fashion stuff on LinkedIn, it's not good for you. So please do not go for LinkedIn. If you are into this profession, you can go, but there's a different strategy we can learn later on. Now, as I told you, Facebook and LinkedIn are most widely used for professionals. So be on this platform. And remember, whatever platform you choose, you should know how to leverage that platform. What is the mindset and psychology of the people using that platform? What kind of people are there? You should know that. And let me tell you, even if you are well aware about 2 platforms, that's more than enough for you to leverage that platform for a lifetime. There are people who are using just LinkedIn and they are doing really awesome. So do not get panic. Oh, I should be on TikTok. There are people on TikTok. I'm not on TikTok. I should be on Instagram. I should be on different platforms. So choose 2. You can create your account. Okay, no harm there. You can create your account. You should be present on different platform like Twitter. On the trending platform, you can be present, but you cannot be highly active on all the platforms. So LinkedIn and Facebook, you can go for it. Instagram, Twitter, and if you wish, the 5th platform nowadays can be TikTok. Or there are lots of platforms like Quora is there, and every time you will Snapchat and also don't need to go for each and every platform, right? So choose those platforms, the 2 most important platforms for your business.